How are y'all doing? It's a little hot Friday again. You know, we're out at Robella. It's a dairy. We got a fan right here. Look at this little guy. Look at that little guy. Look at him. He's a good dog, eh? And that guy, he comes along. Anyways, here we got Big Boy Lavoy coming on a little hot Friday. How'd the job go?
Great. Got her done.
You heard it here, he got her done. And that's right, let's have a look. Come on over and have a look and see all what we did here. Whoa. Tripped on some stuff here we cut up. It's down here. We're gonna throw that in the scrap pile right over here. Okay, anyways. So, that there is the stainless we put in. The cap. That sheet. Let's come on to the other side. Let's go over to the other side. Right here. That cap there. And all that in there. It's pretty cool. Now let's go have a look and see what we really did. Hey, we got Carter Redicop. Check it out. Hey, Carter. Say hi to all our fans out there.
How's it going? We have finally finished at the dairy barn here. We have got our grating in on the sump pit. On the boot washes, we have the bar grating. We have a bunch of stainless sheet metal that is bent to make the milking sections a lot more functional. Yes. And it looks very sexy.
It does look sexy. Anyways, like he said, let's go have a look at the stair. Well, it's actually a platform to heaven, kind of. Well, maybe not that much, but let's go over here. I'm gonna update some pictures too. But look at this, shiny grating, all removable. It's a 60-foot pit down there. Let's have a look if you can see all the way down to the bottom. Look how deep that is, 60 feet or so. Anyways, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next big one.